China has reported around 900 new COVID-19 cases just one day after marking the biggest drop in fresh infections for nearly a month. A new area of concern has also emerged inside some of the country's prisons.
Most of the 258 new prison cases come from two jails in the northern province of Shandong and the eastern province of Zhejiang. At the epicenter of the outbreak in Hubei province, officials have also revised up the total number of confirmed infections by another 220 to account for cases behind bars.
Authorities haven't said when the cases were diagnosed. Officials blamed for the outbreaks have been fired.
Meanwhile, China is reporting that clinical trials for the potential vaccine could begin in late April. Authorities have revealed 5 different approaches are being studied, including modification of existing flu vaccines. A combination of traditional Chinese and Western medicine is also said to be significantly effective in treating patients.
在确保安全、有效、可及这样一个前提上面，估计最快在今年的4到5月份，可以有部分的疫苗进入临床实验，或者是在特定的条件下面争取进入应急使用。
全国中医药参与救治的确诊病例已经超过6万例，占比在85%。